Alright, take some video here for posterity so I make sure I put it in again the right way. So I got the slot in the hole on the right side of the tractor just to make sure going in the same way as it already was. Alright. I'm going to pick up where I left off from the last video. Basically I'm deciding whether or not how much deeper I want to get into this tractor as far as maintenance on it. It is leaking oil and stuff, so I'm internal debate whether or not I want to, go much farther, which would be, basically honing out the cylinder, replacing the head gasket, bolts, taking it off, replacing gaskets. So gonna have to make that decision soon. All right, after some scanning around the shed to see what we have for supplies and gaskets and stuff, I think I've decided I'm gonna pull the head off and hone it and maybe replace head gaskets and the head gaskets, the head bolts and all that. The valve covers, obviously those gaskets are toast, so I'll replace those because those should be pinched. So I'm going to so this is a bigger job than I expected, but no big deal. That's why we do it. We love doing it, right? All right, here we go. All right, got the head unbolted, but I haven't moved it yet. But I wanted to show you something now that I tore the back off that's gonna limit how much I do, because it's one of those, it's not broke, don't fix it. Right there. Broken head bolt, or broken tapped hole. So I am not touching that. I am gonna leave it. So I will take it off and slowly, grease it up, maybe hone it out while it's in there. But the plans for lapping any valves, it's going to have to wait until it dies, because I'm not about to screw with that bolt and have it screw up on me. And obviously there's prior issues here. So basically the plan is just to replace that gasket, replace the gaskets around the valves, maybe hone it out from the back side, clean it, and then put it back together. So let's get to it. Easy. So I don't know if you can see, decent amount of carbon in there, but not horrible. So it's definitely not a bad cylinder. So we're not going to really mess with it, because I don't want to. I don't want to push my luck. So got it off. I'll clean the piston. Clean that up. gaskets on here. Maybe re-gap them. That's about it. Yeah, this, well, there's a gasket here, but it's ripped. Probably, I ripped it because I was taking it out. So, I'll give you a closer look. All right, so definitely some carbon buildup there. We'll clean that up and get new gaskets. Get her back together. So, yeah, a little more work than I expected, but oh well. We get her done.